Hi, welcome back. I'll be sharing one of the most unique and amazing features in CorelDraw to help you design. It's called Perspective, that contains this one, Perspective, which contains guidelines, orthogonal lines, that's to say, to help you form 3D objects in the form of plane or 2D objects. So click here and then head over to Draw in Perspective, click anywhere within the workspace. Now there's this vanishing point and some orthogonal lines from the vanishing point that will help you construct the base of the 3D objects. This is the horizon line. You can increase the amount of the orthogonal lines so that there's plenty of them. This is the horizontal line that will help you make the 3D object. So let's start. Well, by creating some lines by clicking on the freehand tool, just like so, and then can do it just like this. For example, make sure that the lines are perpendicular with the intersection points, just like so. Click on it again to make it appear, just like so. Then afterwards, you do it just like this. Alright, isn't it easy to do? Let's make the side part of the cuboid. Drag it just like this and then make it appear, and then make sure that it's dragged to the intersection point, and then you're done making the side of the cuboid. You can even use it so that there are some shapes that will go in accordance with the the direction of the lines. So let's say we create a rectangle or a square. Yeah, looks like this. It will go in according to the direction of the guidelines. Let's say if we make a circle. Oh yeah, it looks cool. Now the top part, the top circle will go according to the orthogonal lines that we just created. It's too stretchy. Just like so. And you can test out the the perspective view of each shapes, or you can even create more cuboids or maybe 3D objects, and then it may turn into this. Yeah, it looks fabulous. That's it for the video about perspective in CorelDraw, an amazing tool to use. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.